Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is working on continued, upgrade and improvements to the new Outlook app. The new Outlook app is simply an interface that is kind of on top of Outlook.com. And it has, in 2024, replaced Mail-in Calendar. And a lot of people were not very happy with that and still not happy. There are still missing options. One of them that are trying to work out that apparently could arrive in January is the ability to work offline. It's not because you have emails that you don't want to see them if you're not connected. That was one of the interesting things about a lot of email aggregators is that when you're offline, the emails were downloaded within the app, so you could see them. The fact is, it's apparently difficult for them to make this in the new Outlook because the new Outlook is an app that's made to be connected all the time. So that apparently is something they're working on. They're working on all sorts of new options to try to have people move in and use the new Outlook app. I know a lot of people moved away from it because of this. I think in 2024, this could be also, noted as something unpleasant that people want to go through, both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Personally, if they've left Windows 10 alone and left, just use Mail-in Calendar in Windows 10, and if they pushed it to Windows 11, although, this is the other thing is about keeping software. When you have a new software being pushed, why can't you use the old one? And it's a complicated thing because then it just has too many things to update. So Microsoft, if they keep the old software, well, if there's security flaws or problems, well, they have to update the old one, the new one, and it's too much at one point. But I think the way Microsoft has pushed the new Outlook app is a little. Isn't a bad way. It's they started pushing an app that was obviously far from being finished, and this is one of the things that Microsoft does a lot lately: push software that you obviously could see that it still needs to be worked on, rather than just having a finished product or something that at least has all the features people want. And I think this is one of the main reasons why people are actually getting mad. They're getting mad because they don't have the options they want. They are forced to use that new thing, and it's an ongoing battle lately with Microsoft. So we'll see what happens with that new Outlook app in 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.